Welcome. In this video I will show you how to change color palettes to match wallpaper on your Samsung Galaxy M15 5G smartphone. First of all, let's open settings on this phone, then scroll down to Wallpaper and Style menu. Then here we're gonna have to go to the color palette and toggle it on, and after toggling it on, it will be applied. Now if you want to also apply it to app icons, switch this toggle to the right, and then we're gonna have to select wallpaper colors and select which colors we want to use. Then tap apply and then wait for a moment. And let's take a look at our home screen once again. And as you can see, the color palette was successfully applied. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.